Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked 2023.
The Galaxy S23 series, our best camera yet.
Super HDR, 8K at 30 frames per second, 200 million pixels with super quad pixel.
Vivid colors, even at night.
OIS hardware works alongside adaptive VDIS to increase the steadiness of your footage. With AI, minimize visual noise, reduce overexposure and color saturation in your videos. AI Object-Aware Engine enhances the details.
Create epic content with Galaxy.
Most powerful and efficient platform ever in a Galaxy smartphone. CPU with enhanced multi-core performance, highly efficient MPU and optimized GPU to create graphics that can only be described as epic.
Ray tracing, more immersive and lifelike. Powerful gaming experience. Nightography, a high-res camera, and powerful performance. The Galaxy S23 series delivers our most advanced mobile experience yet. Introducing the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra.
Strongest CPU and GPU in the Galaxy Book series. An expanded 16:10 ratio with the new dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Incredible gaming experience with advanced phone to PC connectivity. 2-in-1 form factor. Nearly zero S Pen latency.
We designed these PCs to offer powerful performance with the new Galaxy Book 3 Ultra and Galaxy Book 3 Pro series.
Everyday sustainability, achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2030. More recycled materials than any other Galaxy smartphone to date. Technology that's built to last.
Building the next XR experience together.
Push the boundaries, empower you to do more.
Transform the future of human connection.